Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Florich, and today we're actually going to do a little bit of review of all the bags I've made for Q1. I'm so excited. These are not all the designs I have created for Q1, but I'm about losing this bag, so I decided why not do some reviews of other bag, and basically let's just chat and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which of these designs are your favorite? So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So the first on my list is this Spikey Disco Bag. As last year, this Spikey Disco Bag was actually trendy. It was actually in a bigger size. I decided why not make a Spikey Disco Bag in a smaller size. This bag actually took me quite some time. I think it took me about 1 week to complete this design. I actually used pear beads in size 8mm, though this particular pear bead is already washing. So if you are to make this design, please do not use this pear bead unless you are getting the original one. Let me know your thoughts. What would you rate this Spikey Disco Bag? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And the second bag on my list is this Semicircle Beaded Bag, or this Semicircle Balenciaga Beaded Bag. I love this bag. It's really cute, it's handy. I use sugar beads in size 10. I think this is size 10. I'm actually bad at bead size, but I think this is size 10. I also use some spiky beads to decorate the bag. I even added some pear beads as well. I was able to complete this plus decorating the bag. It took me maybe a week as well, though I was not so consistent. Sometimes I would just keep the design because I was recording as well. So if you have to make this bag, maybe it's going to take you like 2 to 3 days. If I'm to make this bag, I will surely go for other colors to decorate my bag because I felt like this black and red wasn't bringing out the beauty enough. What would you be rating this design? Let me know in the comment section. And the next bag on my list is this Bayberry beaded bag. I so much love this design and it's so beautiful, it's so cute, it's giving what it should give. It says bright in this room, and maybe you want to make a beaded bag for one of your outfits. This is actually the perfect bag for you. When it comes to this bag, you can combine it with different colors. So I use bayberry beads and I also use pear beads. So the pear bead is in size 8mm. There are other colors for bayberry beads, so you can design it with other colors. This actually took me 2 days to complete. So if you have to make this bag, I will tell you can make this bag in a day. It's so easy to make, very fast, very quick, and it's very handy. You can also add a drawstring pouch to it because it doesn't really have a closing, so you can add a drawstring pouch to it. Let me know your thoughts. What would you rate this bag? Let me know in the comment section. It's a tutorial on how to make this beautiful bayberry bag. It will be linked down in the description box, so go check it out. And lastly, we have this summer net beaded bag. I think this is one of the cutest bag I've made. Like, it's so beautiful, very cute, and I love this bag. You can add a drawstring pouch to this bag to keep your items, but for me, I think I would love to rock it like this. This is the perfect summer bag. There's a detailed tutorial on how to make this trendy net beaded bag. It's on my YouTube channel, so go check it out and watch it. I use crystal bead in size 8mm. This is a bag you can make in less than an hour. Yes, if you're fast actually, but let me just say you can make this in 4 hours and it's so easy to make. You can basically make this bag in a day. It's very easy. So what would you rate this bag? Let me know in the comment section. So we have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you guys what I have for Q2, the designs I intend to make for Q2. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and I will see you in my next one.